Hi, my name is Bianca Garcia, and this is my Sprout Up journey. So, I am a third year student in the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, with an undergraduate course of BS Agricultural and Applied Economics. So, why AAE? So, AAE because my late father has the same course as mine, pero AECO pa nun before, Agricultural Economics. So, growing up, we were inspired by him. He introduced us to agriculture. So we would go to farms and then we would see him doing business since our family business revolves around agriculture up until now. So that inspired me a lot to help my family. And also, I fell in love with my course. I fell in love with agriculture and I really want to help our farmers to live the life that they deserve and to receive more income and love from the people in order to reward all of the sacrifices and hard work that they do for this country, especially with ensuring that the people are food secure. So that is one of the social issue that I realize how farmers receive less income despite the hard work that they give. And rain or shine, they need to harvest and maintain the field or the farm just to ensure that we have food and just to feed their families. Growing up, I was well aware of these issues thanks to my late father, and up until now, these issues are still present in our society. I remember when I was little, every time we eat our meals, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or even snacks, my father always reminds us to finish our food. I remember him singing this one song, but I don't remember the tune. But what it said was, bawat bigas na nailigpit ay huwag nating sasayangin. So I really try to live by that. I believe that agriculture will be valued more and be recognized more through the Sprout Up movement. I have 3 siblings. My eldest sister was a graduate of BS Agriculture in UPLB, and my younger brother, also in UPLB, is currently taking BS Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. All of us share one goal, which is to promote agriculture, help our farmers, and help spread the ideals and knowledge of our late father. So together, let us sprout up. This is Bianca Garcia para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.